So hello developers, today we will be learning about the React Native Hypertext. So this is our desired output of this video. So when we click on the first link, it will redirect us to our desired website. For now, I have given the React Native official website. And when we click on the second link, it will prompt us the simple alert box. So let's get into it. Here is our basic React application with a simple text output. So let's run the app with the expo start. As you can see that we are getting the hello world text output from the app.js file. First we have to import the dependencies from the GitHub. So let's go to the GitHub repository and copy this command and paste it into our terminal. After this we will import the components and libraries in our app. So we are going to use the safe area view instead of the view. And we don't need the Css styles, so we can remove them. So let's change the title first. After that we are going to use the hyperlink tag here. And in that we have to use the text component. In that text component we have to provide our desired link. So let's copy and paste the URL. And to work that text area link, we have to use the link default attribute in hyperlink and give the value true. And after clicking on the link, it is redirecting us to our desired website. So let's go back and add some CSS files to align our text output. So we have to create 3 CSS styles. First is for our container, second is for our title, and third one is for our link. And let's assign them one by one. So the CSS is working fine, and to differentiate the URL from the text, we can use the link style attribute in hypertext and give them any color we want. So as you can see, the link is in blue and it's working. For the next alert prompt section, we can reuse this part. So let's copy and paste it. And to differentiate, let's change the title. To give the alert prompt, we have to use the onPress function in a hyperlink. So when we click on any URL or text in a hyperlink, it will give us the alert prompt. And for the alert, we can use the red colored link. And there is no use for the link default attribute, so let's remove it and save it. So as you can see, we are getting the alert prompt box with the given link as a message. We can change that message. So we can change the alert prompt message. We have to just write the message in this single quotes. As you can see, it is giving us our provided message. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.